Jai Shri Krishna friends, welcome to my Health and Toast. Today we are going to make cold Dalgona coffee in a healthier way. For this I have taken Bru Instant Gold Coffee and I'm adding 3 tablespoons of it to make it a healthier version. I'm adding 3 tablespoons of brown sugar instead of a normal white sugar to it and 4 tablespoons of normal water. Now we will mix and make this fluffy. So when you want to make this real quick, you should always take it in a mug instead of a broad bowl, so that because of lesser area it will be done very quick, like within 5 minutes this will be done. And then to this, once this mixture is ready, you just keep it aside and take a tall glass. In the tall glass we'll put in the mixture first at the bottom of the glass, then we'll add half of the milk, chilled milk. Make sure you take chilled milk. Please do not add ice cubes to the mixture, otherwise it will become watery. Then on the halfway put another spoonful of the mixture and then top it with milk again, and then at the top layer again add 1 tablespoon of mixture. This will help you make the coffee really thick and tasty. Now once this is done, add a pinch of cocoa powder on top and then just put it in the freezer for like around 5 minutes and then serve chilled. This will be very delicious, believe me. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Take care. Bye bye.